In today's video, I show you how to create a professional newsletter in Constant Contact quickly and easily. Start by logging into your dashboard, then go to Marketing, then select Email. Click Create an Email to open the template library. Browse and select a template that matches your style, whether professional, fun, or vibrant. Next, customize it with the drag and drop editor. Add text, images, buttons, and other content to arrange your newsletter just how you like. Update your campaign name, subject line from name and pre-header to keep things organized and engaging. Don't forget to match your branding by adjusting colors, fonts, and overall design. Before sending, preview your newsletter on both desktop and mobile and send a test copy to yourself or a colleague to catch any mistakes. Once everything looks perfect, either schedule it for later or send it immediately to your contact list. And that's it. You now have a polished, ready to send newsletter that engages your audience and reinforces your brand.